Even as businesses begin to kickstart amid the coronavirus pandemic, it's a different story altogether for the country's startup ecosystem. Struggling due to the lockdown and the pandemic, the industry fears a bleak future ahead.
हम एक सशक्त और आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनाएंगे, बना करके ही रहेंगे.
Modi government is giving a big push to self-reliant India. But it is a different story altogether for country's startup ecosystem. Crippled by the pandemic and the lockdown, an alarming 70% of startups impacted by COVID-19, with 12% shutting operations, as per survey by the industry body FICCI, the FICCI.
Startups today are facing a fundamental problem of being able to build their revenues. Economic activity is opening up very slowly, and therefore customers are still not buying at the pace they were, surely not at the pace they were.
The figures are startling. Only 22% of startups have cash reserves to meet fixed expenses over the next 3 to 6 months. 33% face a freeze of the investment. Many are reaching out to the government.
What we need from the government is obviously support in much more larger scale, support in terms of investments being available for startups, so that the startups can sustain beyond this 3 to 4 months of cash that they have right now. But on the other side, there are challenges if you do not have access to finance and do not have access to markets, then that could be a challenge for you to sustain the initial 6 to 12 months from now.
Not just startups, their investors also have become jittery. 92% believe that investment will be subdued for the next 6 months.
स्टार्टअप इंडिया का बहुत अच्छा इफेक्ट हुआ स्टार्टअप्स के ऊपर. उससे एक बढ़िया इकोसिस्टम डेवलप हुआ. अब जो कोविड-19 है, उससे जो भी हमने काम किया था वो खत्म हो रहा है. 10-12% तो स्टार्टअप्स बंद हो चुके हैं और कुछ स्टार्टअप्स तो बिल्कुल आईसीयू स्टेज में हैं. बस थोड़ी ही देर रह गई है.
Indian startups are bleeding. Most of them are already in the ICU, and those who have survived COVID say that sustenance is a major problem. Most are also of the opinion sustained government help is the only way forward. Otherwise, we'll see a huge setback to the entire Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign which the government started. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.